In primetime news this evening, long wait for justice. Security guard injured on the job 20 years ago yet to be compensated. CMU president extends leave. And concerns about poor math results in CXC exams.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
Well, we often hear that it's difficult for the small business sector to get money to fund their operations. Well, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation is exploring some new funding options, and I'll tell you all about that and more in the Business Day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jeremy for a preview of what's coming in sports. Jerry.
Tell you what, Herman, Chris Gayle, well, he dazzled in his final one-day international match, but the West Indies fizzled in the end as they lost. We'll give you the details when we come back.
The but. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question, what are you doing to conserve water in the current drought?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.